Hello everyone, my name is Yang Kai. Today I'm presenting my video submission for Lab 2 macro correction. Based on the latest digit of my metric number which is 8, I attempt to demonstrate task 8 conditional UI display. Before we start, my application is called White Lens, which is an app designed for SDT15 Live Online. In Lab 1, our UI was completely static, but in Lab 2, our goal is to add interaction and make the app responsive to user input using Jetpack Compose stat. Okay, for full task 8, we need to show different tests based on whether the input exists or is empty. To achieve that, we must understand state and recomposition. Okay, in Jetpack Compose, the UI is a reflection of the state. If we just use a normal variable, the UI will not update when the variable change. Therefore, we must use this multiple state of to call compose. Hey, this is a variable. If it is changed, redraw the screen. Okay, look at my code in whileLang function. Here I declare two important state variables using remember state of. The first one is the search input, which is temporarily holds the text while the user is typing. The second one is a confirm search, which only updates when the user actually click the search button. The remember keyword is crucial here. Without it, the state will reset empty every time the screen redraw. Okay, now in my search input row component, I have test field and the button. When a button is clicked, the onClick event takes the value from search input. Terminate is assigned it to confirmed search. I also added focus manager clear focus to hide the keyword for the better user experience. Okay, now for the core requirement for test A, the conditional logic, I wrote an if-else statement directly in the UI layout. If confirm search has data is not empty, it calls the welcome banner composable to show the personalized greetings. Else, if it is empty, it calls the default status banner composable to show the default text. This is how conditional rendering work in Compose. Okay, let's demonstrate the application. First, the initial state, the confirm search is empty, so the else condition is triggered. You can see the default text here. Enter your name. Above the personalize your whileLang experience. Okay, now I'm typing my name, Kai, here. Notice the UI hasn't changed yet. Why? Because I am not only updating the search input state, not the confirm search state. Okay, but when I click the search button, the UI updates instantly. The confirm search state is no longer empty. Okay, triggering the if condition to display the welcome banner. Okay, to prove the condition work both ways, I will delete my input, make it empty again, and click the search. The state become empty, and the UI dynamically revert back to the default text. Everything is response perfectly. Okay, to reflect on my learning experience, implementing this interactive feature is really helped me understand the concept of state hosting that we learned in the lecture. I learned to put the state variable at the top of my composable function so it can be shared between the test fields, the button, and the conditional logical banner. Managing state was a bit confusing at first, but seeing the UI change immediately without having to manually refresh the screen is amazing. That includes my demonstration for task 8. Thank you for your time.